Hello Capricorn, this is your December 2021 reading. Sorry I'm little bit late here, and also if you are new to this channel, welcome to my channel and please subscribe to my channel. Okay, if you like what I do. So we will see what will happen in the month of December, and this is a general reading, so take what resonates with you, Capricorn. Okay, wow, it's a great card here. This card is, very spiritual and it's a favorite card. Oh my god, Capricorn is very lucky. Oh god, the Chariot. Three major arcanas back to back. Two of Wands. You are going to take some decision in your life. Okay, which is this which is going to give you this victory, Chariot. So the sign here present is Cancer and the Leo, and this is Eight of Swords, which is air sign, Aquarius, Libra and Gemini. So Capricorn, you are very lucky, and I know also that Capricorn is a very rare star sign. Like very few of you and very few of our population, and very small group of people is Capricorn, and they are the people who is very just look at this. This fated card is appearing in your reading. As per my knowledge, Capricorn is very lucky. Everyone is lucky, but I will see Capricorn as a very different side. Like most of the Capricorn I have met in my life, like they are the people who is very just very fun loving and very just taking everything in a very just carefree nature, and also very light, and just so here I'm seeing that what to say, the three cards which is very this three cards is from major arcana, and it's a very powerful one. Just one thing here I want to tell you, that Capricorn, like you are going to achieve whatever you want. Okay, whatever you are working in your life right now, okay, whatever you are going to achieve, and whatever you are manifesting in your life right now, with these three cards, I'm damn sure that you are going to achieve this, whether it's your career, whether it's your love life, or whether anything you want in your life. Because I am seeing here that your first card is Eight of Swords. It's a minor arcana, and we have three major arcana, so there's nothing negative here. The thing, like everything is all right in your life right now, and the celebration, the victory, the forward movement. Maybe you are going abroad, or you're switching your job or career, maybe you are starting your business. Everything is going to be all right. Maybe you are watching for your love interest, then definitely the Chariot is appearing in your reading. So yeah, it is going to take one step forward. Maybe it's a marriage situation, because the Sun is a marriage card for me also. Okay, so the marriage is involved here, the engagement is involved here, commitment is involved here, and this victory is yours. You are going to take this action. Look at this, we have two action card here back to back. The Six of Swords is an action card for me. Okay, a lots of swords here, so maybe you are dealing with Aquarius, Libra and Gemini. And Two of Wands is nothing but taking a decision, where whatever the situation you are feeling right now with this Eight of Swords, whether it's your career, it could be your love life, it could be your family situation. You are going to take some decision which is definitely getting into your favor, because you are taking this by your own intuition, by your own experience, by your own concern. So that's why we received these three major arcanas back to back for you, Capricorn. And yeah, as I said, Capricorn is very lucky. For me, like I have seen a lots of Capricorn, and the same nature, the same fun-loving person, the same friendly nature, the same getting familiar with everyone, and they are the people who is very positive in their life. They're not, sometimes maybe it's their life, but as I know, they are the very calm and composed and enjoying their own company. So that's why this gives you some, you're not going to waste your energy in something which is not going to give some results. So that's why your energy is just storing in yourself, you're within, and this is going to give you some intuition power, something which is giving you this sun. Okay, I'm just getting this traveling vibes here, which is maybe you are going to travel somewhere in the month of December. Okay, not for December, because this is major arcanas here, a lots of, so maybe it's a long lasting energy, and maybe you are going to travel somewhere. Maybe it's your dream or you aim in your life. It's foreign travel or wherever you want to travel. And also look at this Wheel of Fortune. You are very destined, you are very fated. This wheel is definitely giving you some luck, and whatever hard working you are doing right now, it will definitely gives you some best result in your lives. Happiness, Wheel of Fortune. The wheel is my favorite card actually. This wheel is definitely turning into your favor, and the number 10, look at this. You will definitely forget this 8 of Swords. Definitely forget this 8 of Swords. It's a very small energy, this very little one in front of this Chariot, Wheel of Fortune and the Sun. Okay, victory is coming towards you because it's fated for you. Okay, Capricorn, definitely victory is coming towards you. And if you know about the tarot, the sun is, about the sun. Clarity is coming into your life, light is coming into your life. Okay, it's all fated. It's all about divine timing. Maybe you are waiting for your divine timing, like your question is when our reunion happens, and when our marriage happens, when I will go abroad or something like that, when will I switch my jobs, when will my promotion will happen, and something like that. So yeah, this is coming towards you, the sun. Okay, so it's a very good card for me, Capricorn, and very positive reading I have done today. So yeah, if you like my video, please subscribe to my channel and share with your family and friends. Thank you.